Hey guys, Extinct Knight here, and today I'm coming at you with three new customs. So, let's get on with the first one. First of all, it's a bit of a background story here. These two are these were Spartans that were abandoned on they're rogue Spartans that found a halo ring. They weren't abandoned, they found it, and then they, there was crashed UNSC ships that were the records of UNSC ships gone missing, so they went to the coordinates when they went missing, and there was a halo ring. So, so these are our flood hunters, Saul and forgot his name, dang. We have Saul here. This is Saul. And then we have, what's his name? Logan. There we go, Logan. Saul and Logan. So these were Spartans. That went missing. And then this is one of the UNSC soldiers that went missing that were turned into a flood. So this is a custom flood Spartan scout. He's supposed to be just a plain old UNSC soldier. He is pretty cool. Like him a lot. Even got the scout's head there. His arm is still bendable at the elbow. And there. His other arm is still bendable. His knees are still bendable. The only thing that's not able to rotate or anything is the head. Everything else is still articulated. And then he's just got some bulges appearing all along his back, and the side of his leg, on his arm, or his foot arm and stuff. Oops, his leg just popped off. Yeah, this one took me about 3 weeks to finish. Right here. Took me a while. The other two didn't take me as long. This one with all the super gluing and crap like that. So, yeah. Still compatible with weapons. Put a weapon in his hand. Like a DMR, something like that. So, yeah. That is the Flood. Custom Flood character. Now on to Saul. Saul is the close quarters kind of guy. Close quarters and sniper. So he's kind of opposite in a way. He likes sniping and he also likes close quarter combat. Pretty cool. He's got a hood on. He's got some shotgun shells there. And he's got a shotgun. He is a red Gunganier. So yeah, Saul. Now, Logan is my favorite. He's like a flamethrower dude. He loves fire. He's got just a little bar here detailing. He's got a scorch mark on his shoulder. And on this shoulder, you just take off his flamethrower. He's got this little fin here, spike. Pretty cool. His still fully articulated. And then he's got just a pouch on the side of his leg to hold, food, ammo. And then he's got the backpack and tube from the Flame Marine. And then the Halo, and then it's super glued to the Halo 3 flamethrower. That's painted a little. Looks pretty cool. So, these guys are pretty awesome. This guy is a yellow Gunganir. Just some customs that I threw together and wanted to share with you guys. So, please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.